What's up, everyone? Today we're looking at two of the most popular Windows automation tools, TinyTask and AutoHotkey. If you've ever wanted your computer to do boring stuff for you, these are the tools to know. Let's start with TinyTask. This thing is ridiculously small, only 35 kilobytes. You just hit record, do your clicks and typing, and then play it back whenever you want. No coding, no setup headaches. It's perfect if you just want a quick auto clicker or a way to repeat a few actions. The trade-off? It's super basic. No fancy options, and you're stuck on Windows only. Now, AutoHotkey is a completely different beast. It's also free and open source, but it's basically a full scripting language. You can remap keys, create custom shortcuts, and build crazy automation workflows. Everything from sorting files to writing mini apps. But yeah, there's a learning curve. You'll have to pick up some scripting, which makes it less beginner-friendly. So here's the breakdown. TinyTask is best for beginners who just want quick, no-hassle macros. AutoHotkey is best for power users who want total control over Windows. Both are free, so my advice? Try TinyTask if you're new, and when you hit its limits, step up to AutoHotkey. That's the showdown, guys. Drop your favorite in the comments. Are you Team TinyTask or Team AutoHotkey? And if you liked this, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tools that make life easier.